Assalamualaikum, welcome to Knowledge Ki Dunya. Today this video will be more informative and more interesting. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe. In this video I will discuss some hacks or tips that everybody should know. So start with the number 1. Don't advise unless you are asked. Tip number 2. Mind your business and don't interfere in any matter unless you are invited. Tip number 3. When someone shows you a picture in the mobile phone, then don't swipe left or right. Tip number 4. Always open the door for the person coming behind you. Tip number 5. If a person is directly talking to you, don't constantly look at your mobile phone. Tip number 6. If you are annoying someone and they don't enjoy it, stop and never do it again. Tip number 7. Don't call a person twice in a row. Tip number 8. Pay the loan money taken from someone before reminding them. Tip number 9. Don't order that expensive dish on the menu on anyone's invitation. Tip number 10. If you want to praise someone, do it in front of people and criticize in loneliness. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe.